Welcome to DEli Roll Forming Machinery. I am pleased to take you on a tour of our factory. Our first stop is our Research and Development Office, where we finalize solutions, complete machine design and programming work. Our team has achieved numerous patents and certifications for their innovative work. Next, we arrive at our processing workshop, where all major machine components are manufactured. We have more than 20 sets of numerical control machines for various types of processing. Then, we are moving on to our quality inspection department, where all rollers and forming dies undergo vision measuring machines to ensure their actual size tolerance is within 0.02 millimeters. Finally, we arrive at our assembly workshop, where all machine parts are meticulously put together, then commissioned, until they meet the exact specifications of our valued customers